Welcome back. So I kind of want to show, instead of click button above here, I want to show the actual first random joke when I start my application. So right away when your phone app is starting, boop, you get a random joke. And then you can click get another random joke, right? So instead of having this, I want to actually, as soon as the component right here, the home page is initiated, is started up, I want to go and grab the first random joke. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into the code and we're going to use something called OnInit, like on initialization, right? So that's what we're going to do here. So to use this, we need to start by implementing an interface called OnInit. This is just a way for us to explain to the system that the home page has a way for us to kind of do something when the home page is created or initialized, right? We could have done it in the constructor, but that will give us some other issues, so let's not do that right now. So when I'm doing this implement OnInit, I can actually be told right here that to call yourself an OnInit component, you need to add a property or a function called ng-oninit. So we're going to add that function down here. Now we're going to add ng-oninit, ng-oninit, there we go, that's the function name. Whoops, and we just want to make the curly brackets. Now this is going to be called as soon as this component is ready or initialized and ready to call this function. So this is what we call a lifecycle hook. There are other ones, like we want to know when things are destroyed, when things are changed. We can add more of these, so that's why I feel these lifecycle hooks are kind of important. And we'll use the destroy later, but right now we just want to do something when we initialize this page, when we start this page. And what do we want to do? Well, we just want to get the jokes right now, so we just do it this, get joke. That's all we want to do for now. So we're just calling this function right here as soon as we start the application. Let's see if this works. Going back, scrolling out. So notice when it launches here, boop, we have a random joke right away. But let's just try and redo this once more. It seems there's a blink right away. So notice it just gives a blink where it just shows click button above, boom, and then it shows up. And that's because of asynchronous calls, and that's kind of why I wanted to change this. So next lesson we can talk about that. See you in the next lesson. Have fun.